Hi everyone, welcome to Living the Home Life. I'm sharing 15 Ikea must-have kitchenware items. You don't need a fancy kitchen, just these Ikea finds. Let me show you my top picks that make cooking and organizing way easier. First one is oil pouring funnel. This little funnel is perfect for transferring oils, dressings or sauces into bottles without the mess. No more slippery bottles or countertop disasters. It's one of those little tiny tools you'll wonder how you lived without. It is yellow in color and it's very cute as well, and also very affordable. Next up is a good old colander. This Ikea one is sturdy, made of steel, spacious and super easy to use and clean. I use it daily for washing fruits or draining pasta, and it fits perfectly in the sink since it has expandable handles. Third one is cork coasters. These cork coasters are the unsung heroes of my kitchen. They are heat resistant, super lightweight and give your table a cozy natural vibe. Goes with any kitchen aesthetic. Ikea also have launched bigger ones with minimal designs now. You can also check them out. Fourth one is plastic organizer baskets. These are great organizers for kitchen. These organizers are a dream for keeping things like utensils, tea or snacks totally under control. I personally use them in many places like under the sink, inside the snack drawer and as a key bowl as well. Since they come in many sizes, they can be used for any purpose. They also come in white color. I will leave the link for all the products that I've mentioned in the description. Next up is oil pour spout bottle. Now this oil bottle, it's a vibe, minimal, functional and it gives you that chef aesthetic while keeping things neat on the counter. It looks like a decor piece on the counter as well. It has a small opening at the cap and it makes it easier to pour the oil. Next is a two-piece knife set. A sharp knife is a kitchen essential, and this Ikea set gives you the best of both worlds. A solid chef's knife and a little paring knife. All you really need, honestly. I mostly use the bigger one to chop veggies and fruits and the little one to chop anything really small like garlic. Next up is a knife sharpener. I have talked about this in many of my videos. This keep your knives in top shape with the easy to use sharpener. A few swipes and you are back to slicing like a pro. This is an amazing essential for extending the life of your knives. You can also see the before and after, how quickly it works, and it is easy to clean as well. Next one is a squeegee. This is a staple. I use the squeegee every day after doing dishes. It keeps the sink area dry and clean and weirdly satisfying to me. It can be used to clean mirrors as well. It is very quick and help you keep the mirrors clean as well. Next up is tall spice jars. These tall spice jars are made up of glass and make everything look so clean and organized. Plus they hold more than the tiny store ones, so you're not constantly refilling. Spices are a staple in Indian household and you can never have enough of them, so these help store more in quantity. Next up is a wooden chopping board with legs. This wooden chopping board is beautiful and practical. This little legs give it height, so it is super comfortable to use. You can insert a bowl or a plate below to push the chopped things. It is also better to use the wooden board instead of the plastic one. It can also be used as a decor on the countertop to place your oil bottles and jars, etc. Next up we have salad spinner. This salad spinner is also a great way to wash and dry your vegetables, especially if you have lettuce or chopped veggies. It has a mesh basket inside which is detached, so you can wash it in this bowl and spin it to remove the excess water. You can also add all the veggies required to make it a salad and spin it to mix. Next up we have wooden spice rack. IKEA's wooden spice rack is simple and timeless. These are floating shelves, so it is great way to utilize the vertical space. Especially if you have a small kitchen, this is must have. Since it is made of wooden, it instantly makes your spice jars look organized and Pinterest worthy. Next up we have small spice jars. I have been using these jars for over 3 years now and it has fit in every home we have moved. They are very small, so they easily fit on the shelves and also the drawers, and since they are clear it is easy to make out what's inside. These also has bulge on the side, so you can easily place it sideways. This really helps me since I have organized them inside my drawer. Finally, we have mesh basket. This has to be my favorite one. They are super helpful to keep anything. You can use it to store snacks, fruits, towels, crockery, etc. They look super aesthetic and also comes in different colors. It is made up of sturdy material and the mesh design makes it more breathable. So there you have it, my favorite IKEA kitchen must-haves that actually make cooking and organizing easier. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite and if there's something that I need to check out next time in my IKEA run as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Check out the description for more kitchen related videos and subscribe to my channel for upcoming IKEA videos.